Having created this copy script, I'm just going to give you a quick idea of of a very simple conditional expression within that script. So we're just going to have a look inside, and in this I'm going to go into the birth history, and within the birth history we've got 4 data entries. Now on one of these data entries it is reliant on a previous data entry. So the mode of delivery, the reason for caesarean section is reliant on the mode of delivery. So if we look at the mode of delivery, we can see that in the mode of delivery this doesn't have a conditional expression because it's not reliant on any other data entry. However, if we look at the key for mode of delivery, this is what we'll be using to create a conditional expression in the next page. And so there's the key. We need to take a note of what the key is for that data entry, and then also what the options are. And you can see in the drop-down values there is a number and then there's a description. The number is what is associated with the key and is used in the conditional expression. The description, or the label, which is after the comma, is what actually displays in the app and on the buttons. So that's what we know here. And so we can see for caesarean section we've got 4, 5 and 7, and then if we cancel and we take a look at that conditional expression that we want to use here, for the reason for caesarean section we do have a conditional expression, and it says $mode delivery, which is referencing that mode of delivery data entry before, and it's saying if it equals number 4 or number 5, as in if it equals a caesarean section, either elective or emergency, then it's asking us to put in a reason, and listed in the drop-down values are the reasons for why a caesarean section might be used, with their own codes as well, in case that there's another conditional expression that needs to reference this data entry, which would use $reason equals either FD, EPE, any of those codes that are in the drop-down values. So that's how a very simple conditional expression is used, using previously entered data on the form. So as you work through the more complicated scripts, then you may see much more complicated conditional expressions, but they all follow this basic form, which has a key, has an argument, and whether that argument is satisfied or not, it either activates an option or an entry, or triggers a management page.